How to create an account on Locket Widget app. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to do that, you can follow the steps. So go ahead and open up Locket app on your screen. You can go ahead and download if you don't have it yet. And then you should be finding this interface on your screen. So all you gotta do is simply click on the option that says create an account from your screen right above sign in. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, in order to continue, you need to enter up your email address in this section. You can just go ahead and type in and tap on continue in the screen. After tapping on continue, you need to go ahead and create up a password for yourself. Just go ahead and type in a password that is easy for you to remember and something strong as well. And then continue the process. After that, you need to enter up your first name and last name. You can just go ahead and enter first name in the first section and last name in the second one. And then continue the process. After that, you can go ahead and allow access to your contacts, and you can also add up a username for yourself and then go ahead and continue with the process again. Once that is done, you can continue. And there you go. Your account should be created, and you can share what you are doing in a day by creating about photos and etc. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.